Name's Ken Demars Jr.
Name's Ken Demars Sr.
Well, it was life, honestly. Had gotten to the point where I was losing control, and I was losing faith on even living.
Easiest way to say it would be I didn't want to lose my son. So we had to figure out something, and we started doing some just counseling, and that's a good thing, but that's a long process, and I didn't know if we were going to make it that long.
I couldn't. The recall was bad. I wasn't sleeping at all. It was kind of hard to eat. I had just gotten to all the way to the bottom, really. Okay. And there was no foreseeable way out, honestly, at all.
Like he said, life was just overwhelming. Everything was overwhelming for him, and there was no way out. And once it finally clicked in my mind that in his mind there was no way out, something had to be done.
Well, first of all, it definitely I'm getting more sleep. Mm-hmm. And just yesterday I was noticing more on my recall. I wasn't paying attention to that so much at first, but I'm getting my recall back, Someone asks me a question, that's there again instead of taking a while. And now I can take things one step at a time instead of, I can focus on one process at a time and start eliminating instead of trying to eat the whole elephant.
Okay.
Happiness level is 180 degrees different. He can smile, he can smile. Matter of fact, he smiled. I believe it was after the very first session, he said, I can smile. He came out and he said, I'm smiling.
Yeah.
And he was amazed that he was even smiling at all. And, that was huge. And so, yeah, just overall, it's been pretty much 180 degrees from that. He calls it the dark place. That's a pretty good way to describe it. From the dark place to where he's at now, 180. He has hope to do any great thing that was intended for him to do, where that was not there before.
It's not a question. Even if it's like you're just feeling like you're not recalling well, or cognitive function isn't all that great, or sleep isn't that great, dude, this I noticed immediately. Appreciate you. This is some effective technology for sure. And it's made a huge difference for me. I was on a bad track. And now I can move forward with life. Which a month ago did not seem very likely.
I would agree with him that this is a great technology. I'm glad that you guys turned it into a business that you could help people with. And yes, the staff here, they took great care of us. It seemed like, I wasn't in for the sessions and everything, but it seemed like Kenneth was taken care of very well. And so, yeah, it was a good experience for us.